Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out an awesome storage drive from Seagate. This is Seagate's new Backup Plus hub. It's an external hard disk for your PC. But this is not just any other regular hard disk, it's an external hard drive with an integrated USB 3.0 hub. Yep, it's got legit USB 3.0 ports on it, which can be super handy for a lot of things. And in this video, I'll be unboxing it and give my full review on this product. So the Backup Plus hub from Seagate comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product on the front and it comes in different capacities. I've got the 4TB model. There's a Seagate logo at the top and over here at the bottom it says this product comes with a free 2-month membership for Adobe's Creative Cloud Photography plan. So I guess you get access to both Photoshop and Lightroom CC for about 2 months, which is around 1400 rupees. That's a sweet deal. Let's see what else is written on the box. Okay, this drive is compatible with both Windows as well as Mac operating system. And coming to the back side, it just shows some pictures where you can use those USB ports on the drive for even charging purpose. It's a hub, right? You can either connect external drives to it or even use the ports for charging your devices. Well, that was about the box packing. There's nothing much written on it. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I wanna thank Seagate for sending me this product for review. Okay, let me just remove this cover. There you go. So let's open the box and check out the product. Oh, there's one more seal over here. Let me also cut that. Now let's finally see what do we have in the package. Okay, we've got the drive along with some paperwork and there's also something else in the box. Let me take it out. There it is. Looks like an accessory box. So these were all the items we got in the package. We've got the Backup Plus hub over here. It actually looks pretty big compared to Seagate's portable hard disk. Along with that, you get some paperwork which includes a user manual and also a guide that tells you how to redeem your free Adobe CC complimentary subscription. Just make sure to read them. And in this accessory box, you've got a lot of cables and stuff. Let me show you one by one. You get a 12V 3A power adapter for the Backup Plus hub. It's got an independent power supply and you always need to keep this plugged in to use it. There's a 1-meter USB 3.0 cable to connect the drive to your computer and comes with 5 different type of plug converters. 4 are in the box and 1 is already on the power adapter. So guys, these were all the items you got in the package. Now let me finally show you the drive. It comes nicely packed in this cover. Let me take it out. So here it is, our brand new Backup Plus hub from Seagate. It comes in this beautiful black color and is a bit big in size compared to a regular hard disk. From my first impressions, I have to tell the finishing on it looks very nice. You've got the Seagate logo here on the front and the design looks pretty decent. It's got a two-tone design. Half of the body is matte while the remaining part has a beautiful glossy finish and has lots of vents on the sides to let the heat escape. You can keep the drive both vertical or even laid flat on the back. There's some info here regarding the model. It says this is a 4TB variant. And on the front side, we got 2 intelligent USB 3.0 ports, so you can even connect more external drives or even use them for charging your gadgets. And going to the back, there's a USB 3.0 interface and a DC port for the power adapter. So that was a complete overview on the Backup Plus hub. Now what I'll do is I'll just connect it to my PC and then we'll talk about all of its features and performance. Setting up the drive is very simple. All you need to do is just connect the power adapter's cable to the DC in port and connect this drive to your PC using the given USB 3.0 cable. And that's it guys, your new Backup Plus hub is all ready to be used. And also when you power it on, the Seagate logo on the front lights up in white color and gives an elegant look to the drive. Okay, so I've connected the drive to my computer. Let me show you how much free space is available on it. It's a 4TB drive and out of the box you get around 3.63 TB, which is around 3630 GB guys. That is plenty of storage. So as you can see, I've already been using the drive to save a lot of things. Along with the drive, you get this product registration stuff. So make sure to do that and also don't forget to redeem your free Adobe CC complimentary subscription. Now let's talk about the performance. The company says it's got a max data transfer rates of 160 Mbps. Well, we're gonna put that to a test. I've installed Crystal Disk Mark on my PC and we're gonna do some benchmarks to see the max read and write speeds on this drive. Let me first select the drive. Here it is. You can see it's got around 3726 GB. Now let's start the test and see. So this test is going to take some time. I'll just fast forward the video and directly skip to the results. So we are finally done with the test. We've got a max read speeds of around 179 Mbps and write speeds of up to 137.2 Mbps. Man, those are some really good speeds for an external hard disk. So those were the benchmarking results. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this drive to a real world test where we'll be copying stuff to and from the drive and see what kind of data transfer rates we'll get in real world usage. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff on the drive. I'll be copying this huge 4K video file from the drive to my computer and show you the transfer speed. Whoa guys, just check out the speed. It's copying the 4K video file at a speed of around 180 to 190 Mbps on my PC. Holy smokes, that is awesome! I totally didn't expect this hard disk would be that fast. Seagate mentioned the max speed was around 160 Mbps and we're definitely getting what they specified. And it's actually even better than what they told us. So based on this, we could copy a 5.21 GB 4K video from the drive to my computer in just 28 seconds. Now that is what I'm talking about. So we've seen the transfer speeds while copying files from the drive to a PC. Now we'll be testing it in reverse. We'll be copying the same 4K video file, but this time from my PC to the drive, and then check out the speeds. Wow, the Backup Plus hub is performing very well with great transfer speeds. But guys, keep in mind one thing, to get these sort of speeds, you need to connect this drive to a USB 3.0 port on your computer. The Backup Plus hub is great for storing all your content, especially if you're a content creator like me who's looking for an external hard disk with good transfer speeds and high storage capacity. This is excellent for people like me. Also, you can directly play 4K video files through this drive. There is no sort of lag even while playing huge 4K video files. Just check out this clip.
This is the garage. Let's 1070 Ti race.
I was very satisfied with the performance on this drive. This external hard disk also supports PC backups. You just need to download and install Seagate's backup software and it'll automatically back up all your important documents, files, photos and also videos from your PC to the drive. That can be very useful at times. Plus the best part is it works on both Windows as well as Mac operating system. And one more awesome thing is, this drive also doubles up as an all-in-one data hub and also a charging station. In case your PC is falling short on USB ports, then there's no need to worry. The Backup Plus hub has built-in USB 3.0 ports on the front, where you can connect a lot of things like pen drives or even large capacity hard disks like my Seagate 2TB Backup Plus Slim, and easily copy and transfer the data. The USB ports on it are not just for transferring data, they also support USB charging the connected devices. You can charge any gadgets or devices like your smartphones, earphones, cameras or anything else. I really love that feature on this product. So that was my review on Seagate's new Backup Plus hub. It's a very good external storage drive for your PC. The build quality is nice, the design is good, it's got good data transfer speeds, and I also really love that integrated USB hub feature. Also guys, there's one more thing I'd like to mention. This drive was not made for portability. If you're looking for a compact and portable drive, then Seagate also has those models as well. You can buy Seagate's Backup Plus Slim hard drive that is compact and portable. Now this drive was made specially for people who are looking to add large storage capacities to their computers externally. Just connect this to your computer and leave it on your desk. It does a very good job. So the Backup Plus hub costs around 8,000 rupees in India and it's very reasonable for that price. For 8,000 rupees you're getting a 4 TB external hard disk plus integrated USB hub features. That is very cool guys. So I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.